welcome to the video. Today we're diving right into cannabis terpenes for skin. We're stepping past the usual surface-level conversations about botanical skincare and jumping straight into the fascinating chemistry that really makes these products tick. If you've ever wondered why certain natural lotions or balms feel and smell the exact way they do, well, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
So, are cannabinoids the only compounds that matter for your skin? For the longest time, the skincare world has been completely hyper-focused on compounds like CBD and THC. But here's the secret. They absolutely are not the only players in the game. What truly shapes a topical formulation's character, its distinct scent, and how it actually behaves on your skin are the aromatic compounds known as terpenes.
So what exactly are they? Basically, terpenes are non-intoxicating aromatic compounds. They're produced right in the plant's glandular trichomes, which, interestingly enough, are the exact same tiny structures where cannabinoids are created. Out in nature, terpenes are what give plants their signature scent and flavor, while also acting as a natural environmental defense system. The crucial thing to remember is they don't cause intoxication on their own. Instead, they're these aromatic powerhouses that scientists are heavily studying right now for their incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties.
Let's build a quick aromatherapy bridge here. If you're sitting there thinking, wait a minute, terpenes sound exactly like essential oils, you hit the nail on the head. Look at the overlap. Lavender has linalool, citrus peel has limonene, pine and rosemary, full of pinene. Honestly, if you already understand essential oils, you already get the botanical chemistry found in cannabis. It simply presents another incredible botanical source of the exact same aromatic chemistry used in your favorite high-end spas.
So, practically speaking, how do these aromatic compounds interact with our skin? It really comes down to three main ways. Number one is aroma and sensory experience. Terpenes literally define the scent profile and physical feel of a balm. Number two is botanical activity, meaning they actively contribute those anti-inflammatory or antioxidant effects we just touched on. And number three, this one is huge, skin penetration. Remarkably, some terpenes are being heavily researched because they might actually influence how other cosmetic compounds absorb into the outer layers of your skin.
Let's kick off a rapid-fire sensory rundown of the major players. Starting with Myrcene. It carries a very earthy, herbal, and kind of musky profile. It's actually one of the most common terpenes found in cannabis, but you'll also find it in everyday plants like bay, lemongrass, thyme, hops, and cardamom. In the formulation world, Myrcene is getting a ton of attention in early botanical research, exploring inflammation and pain pathways.
From earthy to vibrant, we've got limonene. Just the name sounds fresh, right? Limonene gives off a wonderfully bright, uplifting citrus aroma. Beyond oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, it's packed into limes and bergamot. The absolutely crucial point here for skincare formulations is that limonene is widely studied in topical delivery research. Why? Because these citrus terpenes act like a vehicle, helping formulations effectively penetrate and enter the skin.
Next up is Beta-Caryophyllene. This one has a fascinating and entirely unique ability to interact directly with the CB2 receptors in your body. It brings a warm, spicy, woody scent to the table. Think black pepper, clove, oregano, and cinnamon leaf. Because of this unique direct receptor interaction, beta-caryophyllene is a massive topic of conversation in research related to soothing inflammation.
Linalool. If you've ever used a calming sleep lotion, you know this one intimately. It produces a beautiful, soft floral aroma. It's literally the cornerstone of lavender, but it also shows up in coriander seed, basil, and rosewood. Formulators absolutely love Linalool because it plays a starring role in crafting those gentle, deeply calming skincare products we all reach for when we just need to relax.
All right, let's take a deep breath of fresh air with Alpha-Pinene. This compound provides a fresh, resinous aroma that instantly transports you to a clean, green pine forest. Found naturally in pine, rosemary, juniper berry, and eucalyptus, Alpha-Pinene doesn't just smell incredibly crisp, it's also linked to some very exciting research exploring its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects on the skin.
Whenever formulators want to add deep, woody complexity to a blend, they turn to Humulene. This terpene brings a robust, earthy aroma to the mix and is frequently found in hops, coriander seed, sage, and clove. In a well-crafted topical, Humulene is often paired right alongside its spicy cousin, Caryophyllene, to give a botanical blend some real aromatic depth. And, just like Caryophyllene, researchers are actively studying Humulene for its own potential anti-inflammatory effects. Let's check out Terpinolene. While it might be slightly less famous in the mainstream than Limonene or Linalool, it is incredibly complex. It has this fresh, herbal aroma, but it also carries light citrus and floral notes. Naturally found in tea tree, sage, cumin, and nutmeg, terpinolene brings a really bright, highly nuanced herbal character to any botanical skincare mix.
Next up is Geraniol, which possesses incredibly strong historical ties to classical perfumery and high-end botanical skincare. As you can probably guess from the name, it produces a beautiful, unmistakable rose-like floral fragrance. You'll find it in roses, palmarosa, geranium, and lemongrass. Whenever a luxury cream smells gorgeously floral without feeling fake or synthetic, geraniol is very often the secret ingredient.
Another absolutely crucial player in topical delivery is Nerolidol. It provides a woody, floral aroma famously found in neroli, jasmine, tea tree, and ginger. But the vital point here isn't just about the lovely scent. Nerolidol attracts major interest from scientists working on advanced topical delivery systems. Similar to limonene, it's heavily studied for its potential to aid skin penetration, essentially making sure all those other beneficial cosmetic compounds actually get to where they need to go.
Rounding out our sensory list is Bisabolol. Honestly, if you buy gentle cosmetic products, you've likely used this without even knowing it. It has a deeply soothing cosmetic aroma and is famously associated with chamomile. Bisabolol perfectly wraps up this section because it seamlessly illustrates the direct overlap between cannabis chemistry and the everyday soothing ingredients you already know, trust, and love.
Section 1. Formulating with terpenes. Preserving the profile. Okay, let's step back from the individual terpenes for a second. Here's why all this chemistry actually matters. You can literally have two distinct extracts with the exact same cannabinoid levels, but they'll feel and smell entirely different because of the specific terpenes we just covered. They dictate the true character of the final product. But actually getting them into the cream or balm is a major challenge. These are highly delicate aromatic compounds. Formulators have to strictly follow gentle formulation rules. They must avoid excessive heat, limit long extraction times, and maintain optimal storage conditions. If a cosmetic formulator uses too much heat or handles the material poorly, they'll instantly destroy these fragile aromatic profiles. Careful handling is absolutely mandatory here.
So the crucial takeaway for anyone making or buying these products is to focus on formulation goals. Instead of getting caught up in generic plant or strain names, we have to think in terms of desired sensory profiles and functional outcomes. Do you want a calming floral cream, a fresh, uplifting citrus lotion, or maybe a deeper herbal muscle balm? By understanding terpenes, formulators stop treating the plant as a single generic ingredient and start designing highly targeted, sophisticated experiences.
We've covered a ton of ground today exploring the chemistry that makes botanical skincare so effective and aromatic. There is still so much more to learn about how these specific compounds are utilized in sophisticated formulations to elevate your daily routine. Read the full blog post in much more depth. The website link is in the description box below.